Right, we've got our new member of the family. So we thought we'd buy some presents. So we have some presents here. Now this is from a company in China called Plumb. A lot of people have written to us and said, Simon, you want to look at their stuff? It looks cool. And it did look cool, didn't it, Destiny? Awesome. But is it cool? It's expensive. Anyway, so we have bought some and we are going to show you. We haven't even opened the boxes yet. So we are going to open the boxes now. Just arrived. And we are going to look what all this Plumb stuff is about. We just love cool stuff. We don't care where it comes from, do we? We don't care. If people can design cool stuff, that's good. Right then. What have we got? Whoa! So these are the really cool things. This is what a lot of people have been getting excited about. What do you reckon, Destiny? Pretty flash. So these replace the rear panels on the back of the 90 or the 110. What are you thinking, George?
That is pretty cool.
You see what it is, yeah? So, and then you've got these nice things here, and that opens. And look, they've put all the molly plate strapping on the inside. Oh, and it's got this sort of carbon effect. Look, zoom in on the back there, George. What do we think? It's got some sort of, actually it might be real carbon fibre. It's real carbon fibre. Whoa, that might be a bit flash. Hence the price tag. And has it got a key? Hopefully it's got a key. Look, it's got a little lock here, so we've got some security. Now, I guess it's got these 6 mounting holes. Now, whether they line up or whether you've got to bolt it on, and have they got like tricky over centre fasteners? Oh, Zach's going to have a look at this, isn't he? Right, let's have a look. What have we got? Have we got some? Oh, we've got a spare molly plate bit. Oh, it's like a never-ending box. Oh, so they've done a little proper mount plate panel. So I expect we'll have to bolt that in. But look, it's nicely made. Oh, so it looks like you get that and that and that and that goes in. Gosh, it's like a Russian doll. There we go. And so obviously there's 2 of them there, 1 for each side. So we will, not in this video, but we will do a video fitting those. That'll be pretty good. So we will get those, see what they look like, get some pictures. Right, that's one. Right, what else we got? Whoosh. Should we say hi to Summer? Ni hao, Summer. She watches all our videos. We like Summer, she's crazy. Right. Right, what have we got? Ah, this is the new wireless charger. So we'll have a look at those. We got a load of those. Oh, right, what have we got? This is Plumb stuff. Look at that. Oh, it's. Do you think this one was? Is this the box we think customs have been through? And the seal's broken. Maybe they've gone through. Oh, what does it say there? What's your Chinese like, George?
Not the best.
Not the best. We'll have to put that on. Whoa! What is that? That is like a pen. What's that?
Oh, it's got bits.
Oh, it's got. Like it's a screwdriver, and we get all the little like. Now I think what you're supposed to do is take your Q keyring, and I think it's got this dial where you can sort of pressurize it or depressurize it. So you can put that obviously goes that way up, and it must. So they've given you the tools to open it up, and you flip that in, and you put that inside, and then you I think you turn that and it pressurizes it so that it doesn't leak water. So you can do loads of water, and then has it got this was ridiculously expensive for what it is. It's nice, and I think, is this like a strap so that you could maybe put it on your wrist when you're going? Hey. Yes. Look at me. It's the first time I've felt macho in my whole life. Look at me with my big arms. Right then. So there we go. Interestingly, on the activity key, we've got an activity key. It comes with 2 wristbands. And one of them I could get on, and one of them was massive. And I said, what's that massive wristband? But it's when you've got a wetsuit on, apparently. It adds a load of... So you need a different wristband when you've got a wetsuit on. But yeah, that one ain't going to go over your normal hand, let alone a wetsuit. But there we go. But we like that. It's got nice little clasps and nice little fittings. But yeah, so that must just be, I think that's like a screwdriver, isn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's just like a precision screwdriver. There we go. We've worked it out. Right, so that is, oh, don't lose my key. Right. So that is a activity key holder. Could be useful if you do activities, because those activity keys are a bit rare at the moment, aren't they? They're on short supply. So right. We'll have a look at what else have we got here. I think that's just packing. Check. Right. There is a box here. Whoa. Whoa. What have we got? What have we got? Plumb. Can I work out how to get in? Ah, this one is sealed. We got in here, George. Whoop. Ah, now I think this was the sunglass holder. There you go, Destiny. You can work out what they are. Oh, they've got some like looms or something in there. So I think this goes where the sunglass holder goes or doesn't go, and gives you a little roof mounted pod. Check that out, George. And it must drop in, and it gives you a little area. Now they've obviously given us some stuff to mount in there. They've given us a switch panel. We got some metal brackets. We got instructions. No. An invoice there. Yeah, I think we've got some wire in here. But I'm looking for the buttons. I got lots of wire in, but no. Ah, hold on. These wires look like they've got. Have they got a? Oh no, that's just like an extension. That just seems to be an extension cable for itself. That is an extension cable. That is an extension cable. So I've got 3 extension cables. I've got some little fixings and some double-sided tape. It looks like I should have a switch panel, doesn't it? Alright, I'll have a look in the other box. Right, now you can just double check that one. Right then, I've got another box in here. Oh. Right, let's have another look. What have we got here? There we go. Be careful, everybody. So this might be a 1 of 2 box, this one. Whoa, this is something different. I couldn't work this one out. So I don't know where the rest of that switch panel is. I think there should be something else to that. We'll work that out. It looks like it should have a panel with some bits in. This is like some super funky fuel flap. I don't even know what the... Is it like a does it do security? It's got a big...
I think it's just supposed to look cool.
I think it looks cool. It does. It's got a big self-adhesive pad. How does it even open? How do you... Does it... God, we got a lot to work out. That's it. That's the... Gosh, we got some stuff to work out. So it looks like it's a fuel door. I don't know what the pad is for. It replaces the original one, yeah. And it looks like it's got some little... does that match? Oh, look, that seems to match that, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But has it got the round hole in it? Oh, no, I think it's the outer gasket. I think what you'll do is you'll throw the middle bit away and just use that outer gasket there to form a weather seal around there when you fit it, is my guess, possibly. It's a bit weird. Hasn't got a cutout for that. Hasn't got a cutout for that corner. No. It must go in between these two. Look, there's 2 pieces. So I think you've got to demount that, mount that, and then put that on top. But how do you or do you just literally, that it doesn't do it? I think you might be right, George. I think you probably just open it like that. and it just gives you a window to see your fuel flap. What are we thinking? So it's cool, and it's got lots of like robot transformery things on it. It's got a plastic film over it. Not so sure about the fuel filler flap door. Let us know what you think. Right, wireless charger. So we've got a different version of wireless charger here. So these parts were a little expensive, and we're not quite sure whether we can sell them for a profit. Let us know. They were super expensive. Right. Oh, he's good. Right then. Whoa, right then. So what wireless charger have we got here? This looks pretty good. So that's just the packing. So we have a wireless charger here. Look. So it plugs into your cigarette lighter, your existing cigarette lighter in your Defender, and it takes its power from there. It gives you two his and hers wireless chargers there, and it's got a little. Can you see in there, George? It's got a little rubbery dome.
Yeah.
And that obviously keeps your phone pressed against the back bit there, and they've given you an extra two, a Type C and a Type A USB as well. So that's a neat little package, isn't it?
Yeah.
That offers you everything you need, and that should fit in the center console on the Defender. So that looks quite good. We'll test that. So that's just our initial unboxing. Let us know what you think. We will get on and do the videos. I think we'll put all these parts on our new one, won't we? I don't think the Stig needs any of this sort of stuff, does he? He's more outdoorsy, the Stig. This is more the sort of look we were going to go for this
Chelsea
one.
Truck.
Chelsea truck. It's probably protected. You probably got me in trouble now. More, I'm going to say urban, but that's just the same. More towny. There you go. That's our new brand name. Should we get Towny Defender? Right, enjoy.